Wow. Sorry, it's bigger than you.
Look at this tree. Want to test if the water is hot or cold. Tara is a coward, so I know Tara will run away. He don't even touch the water. I really didn't expect that.
It's heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here in France. If you're watching us for the first time, my name is Melissa. Call me Mel if you wish. Who is this?
Tyler.
Wagwa Mayo. My son loves speaking patois. And where is the rest of the fam bam? I don't know why they're running ahead of us, but slow down so I can catch you. Say hello.
You slow down and you expect me to...
No, you are walking too fast. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Mama.
Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning, girl. Yes. We're visiting somewhere new today. We've been to this city before, but we've never explored the city. So today that's a mission. We're here in a city called Antibes. Antibes is just on the outskirts of Nice, like about 20-minute drive to reach the town. So that's where we are. We found a good parking, but then we have to walk about 10 minutes before we reach the town of where we really want to go. This is where we have the... Babe always go to the British store to get macaroni and cheese and those kind of things for me. So we're gonna go to that store also because Tyler is out of macaroni and cheese and Tyler love him some macaroni and cheese. So we're in Antibes today and we're gonna take you guys along to explore Antibes with us. So buckle your seatbelt and get ready for another day of exploring with the fam bam. You ready? Who ready? Ready?
Mama.
Let's go fam.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
I'm cold and hungry.
You're cold and hungry. You soon get lunch. If it's your first time to the family, make sure you subscribe right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me with all the wind and the cars passing. Turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss a video when we upload Mondays to Fridays. And if you don't get a notification, we upload Mondays to Fridays guaranteed. I promise you. A video is there. Go to the channel and you'll see a new vlog. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog and we'll see you along the way. We are approaching, I can't even speak, one of many ports in Antibes. All the yachts and the boats. Huh? Antibes is famous for yachting, babe says. So. Uh-huh. Okay.
Because of the way the port is,
Uh-huh.
you can guess.
Okay.
The biggest.
Alright, you guys, which of these yachts is your favorite? What's wrong?
Nothing.
Why are you holding me back?
Because I'm playing like if I'm a trap.
You're too funny. Look at all these yachts. These boats are babe dream, you know. Babe love them. Love them. Tyler, when you get older and get rich, is one of these you're gonna have to buy mama and papa. That's okay? You buy mama one of these, mama and papa? So mama and papa can explore the water life.
Like that you can go in the Atlantic Ocean.
Right. You're gonna buy one for mama and papa?
So
When you get rich?
you can buy one for
Huh?
you,
Yeah.
Papa.
So why you take so long to say yes? You have to think about it?
Whatever you want.
No, you have to buy mama and papa anything they want. No? Just like how mama and papa buy you anything you want. When you get rich, you're gonna buy mama and papa anything they want?
See,
Okay.
I never did that.
Look at this one. This one is nice.
Mama,
Yes?
and I'm even going to give you, and I'm even going to give you a bit of money and with Papa.
You're gonna give me a bit of money
Yes.
when you get rich?
Papa.
You're sweet,
Like
sweet.
Like that, you too, you can become rich like me.
Alright, I like that. You guys hear it here first. My boy's gonna give me money so I can be rich like him. What did you just say? Say that again so people
I
can hear
said
you.
that I don't want to waste my rich money like that. Like that, I save some money, okay?
Yeah, but tell them why you say you're gonna do that. Why you say you're gonna buy mama and papa what?
A little boat because I want to save my money. Like that, I still can be rich.
Alright, so guess what? When you ask mama and papa for something, we're gonna say the same thing. Okay? We're gonna say no, you can't get that one. We're gonna buy you something else so we can save our money so we can stay rich.
No, you're not rich. I'm the rich man. It's the only way that you're rich is because you pay by card and not by money.
Okay, I see.
So you're rich in what? Card or money?
No,
card.
you know what I'm rich in?
Love.
I'm rich in love. I tell you that all the time.
But you're not rich in money.
No, I'm not rich in money. I'm rich in love.
The one that is rich in money is the only
you.
one that needs to.
So you're not gonna buy me a big boat. You're gonna buy me a small boat because you want to stay rich. Eh?
To make you happy, I'm going to give you and Papa a small boat.
No, sir, but to make me happy, I want a big boat.
To make you happy, I'm going to buy with it a can of fish like that. You can go at the seas and take some fishes.
Okay. He's gonna buy me and Papa a little boat so we can go fishing. Wow, look at this one. Oh, oh la la. Sarah!
Can I
Sarah!
get bread to eat?
Sarah, look!
Sarah, we don't have no bread.
Sarah, look! Wow! They're so cute. We don't have bird tie. We're in the town of Antibes and we're seeing a lot of restaurants on the stretch. Take that pretzel from your sister. She giving it to you. Here, Tyler. Here. It's a restaurant strip. And there's a lot of Chinese restaurants around here too. Yeah, you see a few others. Like French restaurant. Spécialité provinciale. Provençal.
Let's see what we find there. Yes, Tyler.
Je vais protéger ta montre comme ça. Personne ne peut te la voler.
Okay. Look,
Rien du
there's a sandy beach. There's a sandy beach that is hidden there. Yep. And babe should be somewhere just here. Here.
Papa, j'entends.
Eh? Yeah, I see that. Oh, you want to get the sandwich there? I'll go there and come after. I see you. Hold on. Hey guys, from where we are, we can have this wonderful point of view from one side of the port. Where we were at first, the big boat, we can't see them from here. Here is more like little boat and fishing boat, should I say? So it's smelling a lot of fish, seafood. I'm gonna see what's there. I see big boat. There's a place that they call Billionaire Pier. So let's find out what is a Billionaire Pier. You want to know what is Billionaire Pier, Tyler? I'm sure it's where there is a big, the biggest boat in the world. Okay? We're gonna find out, and then we go down and we're gonna catch back Mama. Yeah. Alright. I just love to walk here.
Can we go
Just feel
on the
peaceful.
boat?
Oh no, we can't because the boat belongs to somebody. Okay, so you can't go in somebody's boat. One day. Okay? It just feels peaceful to be beside the water. I don't know. I'm just here, close my eyes, listen to the water. I don't know if you can hear. And it's just everything. Things that you see here, Tyler. Look at me. You like here?
Yes.
Oh, look. You see the big statue that is there?
Oh, yeah.
You see that? You want to take pictures with is a man? Is a woman? You know what is it? You think it's a woman? And behind.
It has to be.
Okay, so we are approaching the Billionaire Pier. You can see all of these boats in the back. My God, they're so huge.
And there's also a lot of letters.
Look at this. So it's like writing. Something's written, it's like writing. I'm coming. Alright. So you're inside the statue? Wow, that is so cool. Tyler is inside the statue. Wow, that's cool. Oh, and you sleeping inside too? You're going to sleep now?
No, but this is like a house.
Okay.
Like a bedroom.
Okay, cool. Alright, so you have to try to find Tyler. Okay, find me a T, find me a Y, find me a... Oh, look, I got the Y. I got the E. I got the T. What you mean, the L? Yeah. Look, I find the L. Just here, so let's find the R. And the R is here, so we have everything to write Tyler now, okay?
Now, we want to see.
Hey guys, so I find what they call the Billionaire Pier. So this is basically just a pier, but I guess this is where you can find all of the biggest boats. boats. So yeah, see here, Tyler, don't do that. And you can see here the rest of the boats. I don't think you can go close, but I'm gonna back to find Babe. So
you guys, feet in the sand. We're at the beach.
Ending up at the beach. That wasn't.
Ended up at wasn't planned at all. It's a good thing we walk with a blanket, but we didn't plan on ending up at the beach. So the kids are not dressed for the beach and nothing at all. But they're playing in the sand. Nothing more therapeutic than sitting down and listening to the waves. Nothing at all. I could sit here all day. All day. All day. People in the water and it's cold. But hey, who cares?
Look at this tree. I want to test if the water is hot or cold. Tara is a coward, so I know Tara will run away. You don't even touch the water.
Wow. Sarah, it's bigger than you. I'm in trouble. I never should have let her touch me.
She don't want to go.
She's going to cry. She don't want to leave.
Well, I can sleep and take a nap here.
Look at me.
I can see you're wet.
Help. Help me.
You're on your own.
Come on, come
You're on your own. No. No, you just come here and dry yourself on the sun.
Right, yeah, right. Well, she's coming on top of her lungs right there. Look at her. Oh, this is where we were, you guys. Down here, right here, we were right here. We left. Everybody got changed. Tyler is in new outfit. Sarah is in new outfit and new clothes. You guys want to see my new outfit? I'm gonna show you guys my new outfit because right now I'm wet. Soaking wet. Yeah, that's me. I had to buy this to make Sarah warm because the other one was filled with so much sand and my pants is wet, soaking wet, and I was walking in the street with the pants because you guys know I don't care, but it's windy so I'm cold, so I decided to wrap it. Mama? Yes?
You can show where you had bite from here. Look, this
yeah.
there.
Tell us, I'm to show you guys where I bought it. If you guys look, you'll see I'm zooming on two men sitting on the edge of the rocks right there with those towels. That's where I bought it, right here. We're walking through the old town of Antibes, and just to give you guys a view of what the streets looking like, you can see like a street through here. Antique buildings, of course, typical French old buildings, stone buildings. This is a museum of famous artist Picasso in here, but we won't visit it. Yeah, so we're just exploring. Where are we heading?
Is there a walk here?
here finishing up too. There's another market here, but this one doesn't close fully. This one look more like a clothes market. It's paintings and books and more old things, like babes say. You have antique looking stuff. Well, the place name is Antibes. Why not have antique things? Look, you have like luggage, antique luggage. What do you call these kind of things again? These kind of things here. Look how beautiful is this one. Wow. That's so nice. A lot of antique looking things here. Oh my god, the ice creams look so good. Yes. Oh my gosh. That looks so yummy. Wow. Sarah, it's bigger than you.
And then who?
Her ice cream is bigger than her. Tummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy Thai. What flavor you having?
Lemon.
What flavor you having?
This because I
Vanilla.
Because I should have take a cone, so I'm doing like this, like if it's a cone.
What flavor you having?
Pineapple passion.
Pineapple passion, and I'm having white chocolate. All the stores here are just neat. Street music.
So guys, we're on our way back to the car and we just want to enjoy the way, walking beside this beauty. Ooh. Yes, there's one beauty that I was standing to, but that's not the one that I'm showing you.
Yacht life is one of these Tyler says gonna buy me. Don't Tyler?
I would like to visit one day.
That one over there could buy Papa.
Which one?
That one.
Oh, so you buy me one and buy Papa one? Boy, you're going rich. I don't know, normal rich, that is not me. That's rich. That's better.
That's better, we match.
I don't know why you always want to match me.
Let's act like if I didn't hear
You see, you try to pull off something like what you would do. That's what exactly you would do.
Let's just act like if I didn't hear you.
I know you hear me. You always want to be like me. I know.
Boom, boom, boom.
Ow.
Shoo. Basket.
End the vlog, please. You guys.
What is that? It just got longer.
Ah.
What did you say?
That hurt. You guys just say my abuse.
That's called self-defense.
Oh.
I anticipate your bullshit. Camera catching you. Anyway, guys, we
Had a long day.
we had a long and good day.
Great day.
Oh yes, I'm very
Half
happy
of
with
what
this
you guys
day.
did to see.
We just took the car this morning. Just say okay. I wanted to go to the British supermarket to get mac and cheese. That was the aim of the day. Because Thursday, when I reached the store, it was just 2 minutes after the closer.
So he felt guilty.
So when I didn't feel guilty with when I see Tyler and his face and
That's why you felt guilty.
waiting the mac and cheese, I just feel like I need to go for it. Like,
Friday, Stella come home from school. So what you want for dinner? I say, Papa. I say, Mama, what kind of question is that?
Thursday.
I'm waiting on Papa for mac and cheese.
I want to tell him, but I don't have no mac and cheese.
See me
So I
up.
felt like I needed to go today, and I said, might as well just go and explore the city deeper. We did it, and I'm sure we didn't see half of the city, but piece
Because
by
of
piece,
Sarah, why we don't see half of the city?
But
Sarah
pi-
found beach.
piece by piece, and we just have a good day. We just enjoy every pieces, every moment of it. It turns good. We saw places we didn't expect. We have a nice lunch spot. No, that was a very good moment, and yeah, we have a good evening too. So basically, we are glad we stayed there.
Oh, yeah.
Guess what? One day remain in the weekend.
Don't say that. Because right now the weekend just a begin because me I got add 2 more days to it because I'm tired. No? You don't have to add 2 more days to the weekend.
Do that to your weekend. Call my boss on Monday. I'm gonna call
I'm
him
my
and I say,
own
but my wife tell me it's still the weekend.
I'm my own boss. My own boss.
You're your own boss.
It's just that I suffer the consequences if I do that.
I call my boss on
wish.
Monday and I say, but my wife tell me it's still the weekend. At Tyler school I call and say, where's Tyler?
Mama says
But it's not still the weekend.
Anyway, you guys, I'm going to clean my face up and hit a bit because I'm tired and I start talking a bunch of crap. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe if you're new to the fam and catch my key.